Hello, I'm Shane Vernier.
Hi, I'm Connor Woods.
And I'm Nick Quinn. We are the analyst team here at howtotrade.com, and together we're going to show you everything that you need to know about trading the three drives pattern. So let's get started. The three drives pattern is a formation of three consecutive symmetrical price movements. It's classified as a harmonic reversal pattern and comes in two forms, both bullish and bearish. Traders use the three drives to identify potential reversal zones in the price action. They can use this formation as a reason to look to get long in the market and buy the market, or as a reason to sell and to get short. Let's take a look at exactly what we need to see in the price action to identify it properly. So we're looking for a three drive setup in price action. It looks very, very similar, obviously, to that of a down or an uptrend. Now, this is a downtrend here with three very clear consecutive drives to the bottom of the remove. They always act as reversals and should be pretty reliable if they're all measured out correctly. So we have three very clear moves to the bottom. But what makes this part of the harmonic series is the way in which the swing highs and the swing lows connect with Fibonacci numbers along the way. Now, we have several key points in here, point A to point B, then B to C, C to D, D to E, and then finally E to F is where we would then be looking to look for a reversal and trade this to the upside in this particular example. Now, the key point to remember with this is that the swing lows here, D and F, they're created from Fibonacci extensions of the swings from B to C and D to E. So this move here from C to D should usually end up in a situation where you've got a 127.2 Fibonacci extension level from this move here from B to C. And then the move from E to F, that should usually occur at this level here, 161.8. And that is a Fibonacci extension of this particular swing here from D to E. So once you have all of those components in place, that is a classical structure for a three drives pattern. And traders would look to then get long this market here with confirmation from other tools as well. And then you would look to trade this to the upside. But that is the way that we would identify it in a price chart.
So let's have a look at how we can trade this three drives formation pattern. Now, all these classical harmonic and single candlestick patterns, have that specific procedure for being traded. This one's that three-pronged approach that basically includes determining the market entry, setting a stop loss, locating a profit target. We're looking for that symmetrical move to the top side, and we can look at that in different market drives. So let's get my markings on the chart now. So you can see we've had drive 1, that move to the top side. Then we've had drive 2, which is that similar move we can see with these numbers here, pretty much symmetrical. And then we've got the drive 3, and that drive 3 is where we're looking to enter from in this bullish case. Now, like with any of these harmonic patterns, you can use that confirmation tool, Fibonacci, MACD, anything you like, or you can just use a simple, breakout candle, for example. And you can see here, once we've had this breakout candle, huge move to the top side after this drive 3 has been formed, potentially traders would have theoretically gone long at the close of this candle, stop loss sitting just below drive 3, and we can look to target any key levels that we have above. And you can see from that trade, we yielded a fantastic 3.71 risk reward trade as our maximum. You may have taken profit along the way, but you can see how we use those drives and how we use that three drives pattern to really get in on the market and that expansive move, which always comes at that drive 3.
Okay, let's take a look at the pros and cons for the three drives pattern. On the pro side of the ledger, the pattern is user-friendly and easy to recognize. It can also generate large profits when traded effectively. Lastly, the three drives pattern offers the trader a concrete stop-out point, so we have a precise entry and exit point when using the three drives pattern. Now on the con side, the three drives doesn't frequently occur in all Forex pairs, so it takes a tremendous amount of patience to trade the three drives pattern. Secondly, it is expensive to trade on more extensive duration price charts. So if you're using the three drives on a daily, weekly, or monthly chart, those stop losses are going to be significant. And lastly, the three drives loses efficacy on compressed time frames. So if you're trading it on a 1 minute or a 5 minute chart, the three drives pattern will not be as effective as on longer duration charts. Now, let's review some of the key takeaways from the three drives pattern. Number one, the three drives formation is a harmonic chart pattern. It consists of three consecutive moves in price, each followed by a measured retracement. Number two, the three drives patterns are leading reversal indicators. They furnish traders with counter trend buy and sell signals. The bullish three drives occurs during a downtrend. The bearish three drives develops during an uptrend. Number three, Fibonacci retracements and extensions are used to confirm the pattern's symmetrical price movements. Now, if you want to learn more about how to trade the three drives pattern, be sure to check out the How to Trade Trading Academy inside our trading room. There, you'll find a longer form tutorial where we'll show you exactly how to fit the three drives pattern into your own trading methodology. We'll then demonstrate how to take that plan and trade it against real market price action. You'll have everything you need to gain valuable market experience. And once you're ready, feel free to join our How to Trade Funded Trader program.